Let us see what is a cycle. See, if a system undergoes a series of processes, let us say there is a piston cylinder arrangement or there is an engine which is having a process 1 to 2 like this. Then after that another process has happened from 2 to 3 like this, and another process has happened from 3 to 1 like this. See, if a system undergoes a series of processes and if the initial and final states are same, then we call that as a cycle. See, in a cycle you may come across 2 processes, 3 processes or 4 processes or even 5 processes. That all depends on the mechanism that we have considered here. So all properties are point functions because they can be measured at any instant of time. Whereas heat and work are considered as path functions. The reason is, in order to have heat transfer or work done, there should be a process to happen. Heat and work are path functions because they depend on a process to take place. See here, in order to have this heat transfer or work done, there should be a change in state of the system. See, if you take a piston cylinder arrangement like this, and if we consider a gas like this, we can't measure work or heat at this particular instant of time. We can simply measure at this particular point or at this particular instant only the properties. So that's why all properties are considered as point functions. Whereas in order to have heat and work, there should be a process to take place. That means, suppose if certain amount of external force is acted upon on the piston, then the piston displaces. Because of this force, we will be having certain amount of displacement work. So F dot ds is the work that is happening here when the piston is moving from this position to this position. At the first position or first instant, we doesn't have work until and unless certain amount of external force is acted upon on the piston and the piston displaces. So when the piston is displacing inwards, then there will be some variation in the properties of the fluid. As a result of that, if there is an increase in the temperature, then obviously heat transfer takes place from the system to the surroundings in order to maintain equilibrium. So here we need to understand that heat and work are not point functions, and heat and work are energies in transit. So these are energies in transit or energies in transition. Until and unless there is a process, we can't come across this heat and work variations. So try to remember this point. See, there will be certain energies that are at state. So the energies that are in state are internal energy, enthalpy. So internal energy and enthalpy are called energies in state, and even you can take potential energy, kinetic energy. All these energies are energies in state because at any particular instant of time we can have these energies. So that's why these energies are called energies in state, whereas heat and work are called energies in transition. Heat is denoted by Q, work is denoted by W, that we have earlier seen.